Class 4, 17, Common Question, with answers in English, Conversation.
Where are you from?
I'm from Pakistan. I'm from India.
How old are you?
I'm 26 years old. I'm 26.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on November 1st.
What is your phone number?
My phone number is 1234567.
What is your Gmail?
My Gmail is david@gmail.com.
What do you do / what's your job?
I'm a student. I work in a bank. I'm unemployed at the moment.
What company do you work?
I work for an investment bank.
What religion are you?
I'm a Muslim. What's your material status? I'm married. I'm single. Do you have a boyfriend or girlfriend? I have a boyfriend or girlfriend. I'm not dating anyone.
How many children do you have?
I have 4 children. I do not have any children.
Do you have any siblings?
I don't have any siblings. I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters.
What do you live with?
I live with my wife and children. I live with my parents.
What time do you get up?
I usually get up at 5:30 a.m.
When do you do morning exercise?
I often do morning exercise at 6 a.m.
What time do you have breakfast?
I have my breakfast at 7 a.m.
Thank you. If you like this video, subscribe and hit the bell icon.